Alright, we're looking at GTT. It's an IC stock. What's going on with this 1 minute chart? Let's see. 374. Resistance is 420, 450 based off of pre-market highs there. Looking for it to break that 389 area. Here it comes back up to retest that 389. Looking for it to break, leaving a bottoming tail there. 378, stop loss before or below that 378. There's that break. Looking for more strength in its momentum. Zoom in a little more. Goes moving up a little more. There's 4. It's 403, 404. To be resistance around 417, it looks like. Definitely 420 based off of pre-market pivots, but we are selling at 412. There it goes. That's it. Winning trade. That was pretty fast, 3 minutes. 6% move. Let's see what else we can find. Alright, so GTT, just a quick recap. It's a free float of 46.86 million, so it's a mid-float stock. Volume is 34 million, average volume 3.3 million. Its catalyst from 5 days ago says it's likely to file for Chapter 11 bankruptcy before June 30. And there's just an article out on Benzinga. 8 stocks with the highest short interest, and that's it. That's the catalyst, I guess. Not much of a fundamental catalyst, right? But got the stock moving. So on the technical side, we looked at the daily, definitely gap up, major gap up. And then we looked at the hourly. Notice it bounced off here. These support areas around 3, made a bounce. Then we zoomed in a little more, 15-minute. You could begin seeing some high pivots during pre-market. And during pre-market, it really sank, right? But then it began to consolidate right before the market open. Upon market open, we totally missed this move. It rushed up, and initially we wanted to get in at 378. Was 378. However, we missed that move. To be quite frank, we totally missed it. And then we did see more momentum come into it. At 389 we entered for a break above 389 and a move up to 420. Sold at 412 before this high, pivot high here in pre-market of 420, and it kept moving up a little more. So keep an eye on this one, or we'll keep looking, but maybe this will be the only trade of the day. Who knows? Alright, GTT, same stock we traded a few minutes ago. If it breaks that pre-market high of 450, it can possibly continue squeezing. If we look at the daily chart, let's see, right here, 515 area, eventually even 6, I don't know. Keeps moving, it'll keep moving. Breaks that 450 pre-market high. Let's look at the hourly there. You can see it. So technically, the high of this candle is 445. So it's kind of like a double top there. Not a perfect double top, but it's still double top. You can see clearly it's being rejected from up there. So this resistance, the pre-market 450. And now I want to see if possibly we can actually buy it on the lower side near 389 area. Would be great. Want to see it come down lower. Alright, doesn't look like much, but there's definitely a little bit of strength here after this massive sell-off from 445 all the way down here towards 393. There's a green doji 1 minute candle there, sort of putting the brakes on this sell-off, if that makes sense. So it's selling off quick, driving fast on the freeway, and then breaks right here, right? So now it's consolidating. We want to see if it's possibly going to lift itself up from there and break 407 in order for it to make a move up to the upside. That'll be great because we would have a stop loss 493 or around there. Underneath that candle there. See right here. Alright, for this one, we'll go ahead and throw out our order there, 405. This one, selling off, consolidated, and look for that break of 407. There's a lot going on, let's see. We are selling here before this 445, 433. And this 1 minute topping tail does not look sexy for us right now. Do have to break that 420 for sure though. This one should actually be 392. Has to be below that 393. This one actually has to be 434. Yep. Taking a smaller position on this one. So large bid support there at 4, the whole dollar mark, 21,000 shares. See it there at 4, 21,000 bid. Goes opening up once again. Nice, looking to break that 420. If it breaks that 420, go ahead and raise stop loss to break even. You can see clearly it's finding a resistance there. It wants to break it. There's 420, 422, raising stop loss to break even. Boom. There he goes, another winning trade, nice. That was second winning trade of the day.